It was a dismal outing for Team Kenya in the Great Ethiopian Run after both the male and female athletes failed to break into the top 20. Kenyan trio of Kennedy Kimutai, Boit and Evens Kirui, who finished the 10-kilometer race in positions 21, 27 and 35 respectively, attributed their poor performance to the weather conditions in the Ethiopian capital. All three were in the leading pack of the 10 kilometers race from the start but fell off the pace midway. It was a clean sweep for the hosts, with Abe Gashaw taking top plaudits in the men's elite race, clocking 28 minutes and 19 seconds, and Tsige Gebrselama dominating the corresponding women's race, finishing in a time of 32 minutes and 33 seconds.